Good afternoon. Welcome back to our class 2 science class. So previous day we discussed the first chapter plant kingdom and the exercise part we also discussed. So have you read it at your home, this chapter? Yes, good afternoon. Have you read it? Okay. So have you any kind of problem from this first chapter plant kingdom? Have you any queries, any problem, anything that you didn't understand? Good afternoon, Angsdeep. Good afternoon, Shaptorshi. Okay. Okay, everyone. Very good. Okay, so today we have to start the new chapter, that's chapter 2. Plants and animals also need water. Plants and animals also need water. So everyone open it fast. Open your the second chapter and don't unmute yourself. Don't unmute it. Okay. Okay, so in this chapter, plants and animals also need water. We already discussed about some plants, right? The parts of plants, the kinds of plants. We already discussed about it, and you all know that the parts of plants of the root takes water from the soil for the plants, and the stem carries those water and it go through the to every parts of the plants, right? Every parts it carries water. So as we need water to live, these things you know, we everyone need water to live, that like that animals also need water to live, and like us plants also need water to live. And plants, animals, human, they all need water to live. And we also drink water, we use the water for many things, right? We doing many things and we use this water. So first of all we have to learn about plants, and plants need water, that how and why plants need water. So your first topic is plants need water. As we just learned about plants, so plants need water to make their food. You know, plants make their own food in leaf. That thing I already told you in the previous lesson, that plants make their own food and in leaf. Okay. So plants need water to make their food. Okay. So next is they make their food with the help of air, water, sunlight. So they make their food not only with water, they need also two extra things like air and sunlight. So plant make their food by air, water and sunlight. Those three things: air, water, sunlight. Okay. And you all know air is all around us. Air is all around us. So they get air from they take air. And water, how they take water? Because rain is the main source of water. So they get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water, but they didn't get water directly from rain. So first rainwater, this rain and rainwater goes to the soil. This rain and the rain, from the rain we got the rainwater, right? rainwater goes to the soil. Rainwater goes to the soil and plants get this water from the soil through the roots. That's the thing I just told you, that right, that from the soil through the roots, and then plants get water. Then plants get water through the roots. So first rain is the main source of water, but they don't get the rainwater directly. So first rainwater goes to the soil, then roots take the soil, take the water from the soil, and it goes to the plant or leaf, and then leaf make their food. So first air is all around us and they take air easily. Water that's get from rainwater and the sunlight. We all know that from which thing we got sunlight. So can you tell me that we get sunlight from which thing? Anyone? We get sunlight from which thing? Yes. So we get sunlight from sun. Very good. We get sunlight from sun. So we got plants get water from rain and soil and get sunlight from sun and the air which is all around us. Yes. Very good everyone. Very good. Yes, from sun. So that's about plants need water, and the plants make their own food in their leaves, and they need air, water, sunlight to make their food, and they make their food in leaf. This thing you know, right? L-E-A-F, leaf. Do you know what is this called about? The leaf? Leaf is called the kitchen of plant. You can write down in your copybook, kitchen of plant, that is called leaf. Okay, have you understand? Leaf is called the kitchen of plant. Yes, very good. The kitchen of plant. You can copy these things at your copybook. Yes. Very good everyone. Yes. So now I have to erase the board. So first, that plants need water, and why plants need water you will already understand, that there is a tree. There is a tree which have lot of leaf and its roots is under the soil. That's our roots which is under the soil, and first the air is blowing and they get air from around themselves, and the sunlight, here is the sun who give this sunlight to the plant, air which they get, and that is root, that is soil, and here some water. So rainwater goes to the soil, root takes the soil and it sends to the leaf. Hope you all understand it. About the plants need water. Have you any problem? Okay. Very good, Priyanshu. Okay. So now there is one activity, you can try it at your home, because that's a one kind of experiment which you learned as the science is called the experimental science, right? So science, in the science and which you learn that plants need water, you can take a experiment with plant. So here is this activity I will tell you now. Okay, so activity is take some seeds. So first of all, you have to take some seeds, any kind of seeds. You can take the any gram seeds or anything which you have in your home, which you can arrange. So take some seeds, put them deep in a pot which is filled with soil, Don't water the seeds. Don't water that seeds. Next, take up more seeds and take a pot which is filled up soil, and you have to dip those seeds in this soil. That's a second pot. First pot you already take it and you didn't give the water, but in the second pot you have to give water. So what happened? When the second pot gets water, you can check after some days that there are small green leaf. Coming out from the second pot, while nothing grows in the first pot because we don't give water in the first pot, but we give water every day to the second pot. Rishi Ghoshal, don't take screenshot. So this growth of seeds called germination. This happens as the second pot get the water, and this seeds growth of seeds called germination. These things I am now erasing. So first you have to take 2 pots. That's one pot which is filled up with soil, that is soil, okay, which is filled up with soil, and that's a second pot which is also filled up with soil. First we give some seeds. Here we give some seeds. Can you see there are some small seeds we give in the first pot. And the second pot we also give those seeds. We dip it in the soil. Okay, so we give water. That's a water, and we give it to the second pot only, not the first pot. Only giving water, we have to give water in the second pot. So after some days, what will happen? That small green leaf we can see. Small green leaf we can see, and which is growing day by day. So that will happen, and as this second pot get water, so that's why we can see the green leaf. But first pot didn't get water, so there is no green leaf. So that's thing which you learned, that plant needs water to live. Plants need water to live, as we also need water every day, right? So like that, plants also need water to live. And the seeds, growth of seeds called germination. Germination. Germination, the growth of seeds. Called germinations. So we can say the water is needed, the germination of seeds. Okay. Very nice, Priyanshu, Adrija, you draw it. Very nice. Very good, Shaptarshi, Zareen. So here is about the activity of these plants need water. So if you want to try this at your home, you can do it at your home. Okay, that is one kind of activity. Yes, and the next is you can the next part about the aquatic plants, and that's we can discussed on your next class. Okay, but first of all, today we discuss the first page of this plants need water of the second chapter, and we discuss plants need water. So hope you all understand it. No problem there. Okay. Okay, everyone. So that's all for today, and have a nice day.